Hello, beautiful souls. Love, lux, and light. I am trying to adjust. We have changed. Well, we've had a staff. We're shifting out for dinner. This has been a long vlog series for us. So we are about to break from recording for dinner. But I wanted to talk to you because for you, this is your day 20 video in our series of manifesting miracles. For those of you who are new, I am Priestess LaMeel of LaMeel.com, and I teach on manifesting money specifically, magic and spirituality. So today is day 20 in our series of manifesting miracles, and the main thing I want to know from you all today is what worked for you. Everything isn't going to work for everybody. So I want to know, did you reach your goal? How close are you to your goal if you didn't actually materialize the fullness of it? And I want to know what worked for you. I want to know if you tweak things and how the tweaking worked, and just kind of let me into your world a little bit and, you know, share with me, excuse me, what has been going on with you, what you learned about yourself on this 20-day journey, and so that I can give you some supportive feedback. And I also just want to thank you for taking this amazing 20-day journey with me. And I will be chiming in after this series. A lot of you know, or should know now if you've been watching, that I do record in sets. So like today was probably like a whole week's worth of recording. So my next recording day, I'll come in and let you know how I did with my my manifestations that I had committed to at the beginning of this 20 days, and what worked for me, things that I tweaked and changed, because I always do that. There's nothing that I ever get that I just do verbatim. That's not true. I will always try something exactly the way that it's shared with me, and then based on how I feel, I will tweak it so that it feels the most satisfying for me in that process. So, you know, we're forever growing, changing, la-da-da. And I'll share all those details with you. And I would love to hear what worked for you. And I'd love to be able to give you some feedback and support right here on LaMeel TV. So don't forget to leave your comments, thoughts, successes, learning, I don't want to say obstacles, but your learning lessons, leave them below. You know, chime in. If you are interested in getting a private reading with me, that link's going to be below. I have classes that I offer on LaMeel.com, and that link will be below as well. And the classes are all on manifesting, magic and spirituality, and high vibe living. I'm so excited that that is coming, because I don't believe that you can truly be spiritual and aligned and manifesting and magical and not be in a high vibe environment. And you can be. That's not true, because you can do anything you want. But to have the most success, to be the most successful, to live optimally, you have to be in a high vibe environment. And so high vibrational living has always been a passion of mine, and I'm actually a trained holistic practitioner. I have more than 20 certifications in that realm, and so high vibrational living is coming to LaMeel TV here in April, and so you'll see that playlist, and we'll have a very, very complete, awesome program on LaMeel.com that you can join. In the meantime, I also have group coaching and some other things that are totally amazing, like our Goddess Sacred Circle that you're welcome to join. If you enjoy all of the content here on LaMeel TV, please by all means feel free to buy me a cup of coffee or join my coffee chat, which happens every month. I think the first week of every month. So we have one coming up. And if you'd like to just comment, share a thought, ask a question, the best place to do that is, with me anyway, is on Instagram, where I'm a lot more active and I do check in on a daily basis. I love you guys so much. Thank you for taking this journey with me, and I will see you in the next video.